Hey y'all. So y'all come on in, hang out. I found this cute little planter at Ross. I love shopping just about everywhere. I love discount stores. I love Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I love places like that. Y'all, this was only $9. So kind of a good base for under $10. So I did put some foam in there. So I put quite a bit of foam because that's what I needed. We're gonna green up our base with some greenery. I love all different types of greenery. And this one I'm just gonna cut up into some pieces. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start greening up our base. Really pretty greenery. I love this one. This one's one of my favorites. So we're making like a forever planter. You can use it for a door hanger if you wanted to. You can also use it if you don't have a green thumb. Y'all, I'm just putting this in here. I am gluing it down. So we're just adding this in, greening up our base. So I am adding these in. I am gluing in every single piece. Kind of manipulating some of my greenery to kind of come out over the edge. Like this. Like this is just one piece, you guys. And look, I can manipulate that. It's always important for me, you guys, when I'm buying greenery and florals and picks and stems that I can manipulate them how I want them. That it's wired all the way throughout. So this one, I kind of want to add in there as its own entire piece because I do want to add a little bit of height up through the back. So I am going to cut this off kind of at an angle. Okay. I'm going to put some glue right there on that. Kind of coming towards the center. Go. Add in the whole bush in there, you guys. There's nothing wrong with that. Especially if it's a nice, good coverage bush. Definitely nothing wrong with that. Manipulate that throughout. Now I did opt for the color of the year, you guys. For me, it's blue. I am loving everything blue. We just did that whole wreath supply box in the color blue. So love me some blues, you guys. So love this pick right here. It's got so much on it. It's got some flat leaf on it. It's got some of the little berry pieces on it. Adding that in. Yeah, you can find some of these things like at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, a lot of those big stores. It is the spring and summer, so they have a lot of stuff out for like their patio section, their outdoor sections. So adding this in, definitely manipulating some of the greenery, you guys. Like I said, it's really important when I'm buying my florals that if I can manipulate it, I'm gonna manipulate it, right? Y'all, the blues are so hot this year. There is blue everywhere. Blue butterflies. The chinoiserie, of course, is so popular. Damon Oates was definitely onto something when he designed that box, you guys. But kind of going a little bit above, and that's okay. Gotta fluff out your 60919. Of course, y'all can always definitely subscribe to the wreath supply box. They are starting to ship some out, so definitely get on that list, you guys, because the boxes are just getting better and better, I feel. 9. Hey Sherry. Okay, so just adding in some of this 60919. I actually might go in and add a whole stem as well. Now, of course, a lot of you guys are in creative coaching because I recognize some of the names. But if you're watching this over here in the How to Make Wreaths group and you're watching us for free, you know, we do have a lot of free tutorials as well. But if you really want more like in-depth who, what, where, when, why tutorials, definitely think about joining us in creative coaching. We would love to have you. You can go to creativecoachjordan.com, and that's where we really break down a lot of things, you guys. When it's an arrangement, we break down the placement, we break down the who, what, where, when, and why, right? So I'm sure a lot of our members who are watching can attest to that. And we do wreaths, swags, garlands, centerpieces, all the things, you guys. So we'd love to have you if you haven't joined us already. Now I will tell you guys, I'm not the biggest fan of some of these leaves right here. Yeah, and the replays are always available. That's what's really great about creative coaching, you guys, is replays are available, so you don't have to worry about like, oh my God, my son has baseball today and I can't watch class. It's okay, you can go back and watch it. So look how pretty that looks. I'm loving the blues, you guys. Like I said, I added a little bit of the blue and white. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of these roses. I do love these. These are really pretty. I got these actually from Hobby Lobby. So love these roses. And even though I am using like whole bushes and stems, you guys, if you have like onesies and twosies, come up with something. Come up with a game plan as far as like making an arrangement or a centerpiece, or because do you know how many people love to bring the outside in when they're decorating? So if they bought a wreath from me that, let's say, had like blue roses, and if they have a lantern, they're gonna want a lantern swag. They're gonna want let's say a bow for their mailbox. They're gonna want a centerpiece for their coffee table or entry table. A lot of people love to matchy. I need something that's gonna dance around in there, and this is one of my favorite pieces. I love these. I got these at Michael's. I definitely wish I would have got some more, but they did not have very many. So adding these really pretty ranunculus, blue ranunculus in. Add some blue. So the BU9 bush, you guys, is one of our favorites. I do like to add this into my arrangements, especially towards the back. Do you guys see how much the back is exposed? Like, do you guys see all the foam? So just coming on in, and we're just gonna add this into our back, covering up the foam. And now I'm going to take whatever I have left and I'm going to bring it up to the front. Then we are done, you guys. So of course everything that I used was, of course, new product, but you could definitely, if you wanted to, you could use your leftovers. But y'all, don't forget, if you haven't joined us in creative coaching, we would love to have you guys. You can go to creativecoachjordan.com. Also, don't forget, if you want to sign up for the wreath supply box, you can definitely still do that. But y'all, that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, y'all have a good rest of y'all's day. Bye, y'all.